A very cheerful morning, happy morning to all my little angels. How are you, my dear students? Must. Tell me, student, what did you do last month, last week, yesterday? Oh, ma'am, you are asking because it's a new topic, no? Yes, it's a new topic, that is Chapter 23, it happened yesterday. In this chapter, we will see how do we use the doing words in a special form. So for that, we will watch an interesting video. My dear students, let's understand what is the topic about. It happened yesterday. My dear students, when we use words like always, every day, usually, often, so we use a doing words in a simple way like I sing, we play, or we put sometimes s. He sees a picture, the car moves, the lady sleeps. In this way, when we are using always, every day, usually, or often. And when we talk about the past moment that happened yesterday, last week, last evening, last year, last Sunday, or few hours ago, then we use past tense. That is, I sang, we played, he saw, the car moved. We often use us ed or we change the present into the past. जैसे I sing का हो गया I sang. That means it was happened yesterday. We are talking about past. So for clear understanding, we'll watch a video.
Yesterday. When we talk about something that happened yesterday, last week, last month, a year ago, last Monday, or a few hours ago, we use doing words in a special form.
See, students, when we talk about something that happened yesterday, last week, last month, a year ago, last Monday, or a few hours ago, we use doing words in a special form.
Always, I sing, I eat apples. Every day, we play. He eats an ice cream. Usually, he sees a picture. The boy wins a prize. Often, the car moves. We play chess. The old lady sleeps. Mother cooks in the kitchen. The cuckoo.
Words like always, every day, usually, often, they are present. That means we are doing this at present. So what we will use? Always, I sing. That means I am doing. I do sing. Every day we play. Usually he sees. We use this present in a simple word or we use S. Usually he sees a picture. Often the car moves. The old lady sleeps. We use the same word or we just put S. I eat apples. He eats an ice cream. Every day he eats an ice cream. Usually the boy wins a prize. Often we play chess. Mother cooks in the kitchen. So while we are doing the activities in the present, so either we use the same word or we use S in the doing word.
Cuckoo sings sweetly. Father leaves for the office. We go for shopping. Yesterday, I sang. I ate apples. Last evening, we played. He ate an ice cream. Last week, he saw a picture. The boy won a prize. Last year, the car moved. We played chess. Last Sunday, the old lady slept. Mother cooked in the kitchen few hours ago. The cuckoo sang sweetly. Father left for the office. We went for shopping.
So you came to know, my dear students, when we are
No.
going with
The cuckoo
yesterday, last evening, last week, last year, last Sunday, few hours ago. So we will use the doing words in the special form. That means it will change into the past tense. I sing will become I sang. We play, we played. He sees a picture, he saw a picture. That means the present tense has changed into the past tense. The doing words are changed in their past tense form. The car moves. The car moved. That means in some of the words we will use sang in the special form, or either we will use ed, as you can see in the table. Last Sunday the old lady sleeps. The old lady slept. The cuckoo sings sweetly. The cuckoo sang sweetly. So we are talking about the past activities. So we have used the doing words in the past tense form. Okay, so for that you have to remember this table that is given on page number 60. Okay, my dear students. So it was all about from it happened yesterday. Now we will move to the worksheet part. Now we move to our worksheet part. Drag and drop the correct answer from the help box. Meena liked the teddy bear. She dashed with it. She played with it. Good work. Next is Vinay dashed the boat across the river yesterday. So what will be the doing word? Yes, it will be in the past tense form. Tinker Bell often dashed the flowers. Visited. The carpenter dashed tables with wood. The carpenter makes the table with wood. My friend often dash storybooks for me. Often मतलब daily वो लाते रहते हैं. That means the doing word will be in the present form. अभी भी हो रहा है, अभी भी वो लाती है. ठीक है. Oh, 100%. So got it, my students? Yes. So it was all from it happened yesterday. And remember, you have to learn this table also. Okay. If you have any problem, you can call your ma'am. By the time, do take care of yourself. God bless you. Bye bye.